morning, everyone. We are starting on some of the fun stuff we got going on. So we have just wanted to add like a big air extractor. So if it's just really toasty in here after the car's been sitting for some reason, you can just pull this guy out, flip it on, and just blast all the air out the ceiling. So up here, what we're going to do around the hatch is 2 eyelets into the 2x2 up here, and then one over here that we'll be able to hook the handle on, hopefully, and then also throw some bungees on just to give it a little bit more strength and hold it all the way up. And then the extension cord can actually reach over to here to this outlet, and that way when we want to have air in or out or whatever, we'll flip that thing on and hang it up there and good to go. Okay, so we're about halfway done with the fan deal. I thought I had a nice big hook in my garage. Turns out I don't, so I just had to make a quick bracket. This allows me to just hook the fan on like that. And then once it's hanging here, it's really easy just to swing up if the extension cord doesn't get caught. And then you can hook the bungee cords underneath the big rubber straps so it will hold it up in place. The rubber straps are just mounted to 2 little eyelets up here and here. And this, like I was saying, will go underneath and just hold it up when you're using it, and then when you don't want it or whatever, or even if you do want to leave it up for a little while, you know, when you're done, you just pop these suckers down, put them away wherever you want, and you're good to go. Obviously, you're going to want the roof open when you're doing air extraction, but I'm going to paint some brackets next, including this one I just made, because we've got a bunch of little L brackets I'm going to use in the ladder just to make sure it's super sturdy. And I'm going to just pull those out, heat them up with the propane torch, get them nice and hot so the paint sticks, and then paint away. It's probably 32 out right now, and I'm 50-50 on feeling my fingers, so I'm hoping a little bit of heat will help the paint stick really well. So, test insulation here, we just hung it on the hook on this side. I found a little bit more elegant way to do this is with these bungee cords, so we'll see how much better this is if you don't have to, you know, run a big black thing across the front of the fan. It's going to look a little bit nicer, you know. So, got one through there. Give it a little bit of a stretch there to reach. A little bit more than I thought, huh? That one's a fighter. All right, we'll do this one next. What we learned is this needs to come over a lot, and I think it's already started doing that on its own, which I think is good. All right, and there's our air extraction system there. That should work pretty well, and like I said, I think I gotta move this bracket in just a little bit so it's a little easier for these bungees to reach, but otherwise it's gonna do the job. It's gonna suck the air out, push the air in, whatever we want to do with it. So that's good, all good news.